Hi, welcome back again to the Inside Home YouTube channel. Today, we are going to see an 1840 property that exudes timeless charm, blending historical character with custom artistry. It features formal reception rooms and unique design elements, such as a bespoke bas-relief mural and custom garden furniture. This living room blends bold style with elegance. A tufted sofa, natural light, and Venetian plaster walls set the tone, while artwork, an oval mirror, and ceramic stools add depth. A colorful rug completes the dynamic design. The designer merges mid-century and traditional styles with creamy walls, lightwood floors, and brown furniture. A classic dining table, modern chairs, and a metallic pendant light add elegance, while geometric tiles and a vibrant tapestry bring contemporary flair. This room blends antique charm with minimalist style. You will find an inlaid cabinet, olive green armchairs, and green vases against beige tiles and herringbone parquet. Nearby, mirrored wrought iron gates contrast with a sleek black staircase, while a red rug and tassel-accented walls add historical intrigue, creating a timeless ambience. This bedroom perfectly balances luxury and comfort. The vibe is calm and inviting, with soft colors and elegant, traditional furnishings that make it feel both serene and lavish. This bathroom combines classic beauty with modern style. Soft whites, beiges, and dusty rose marble create a calming vibe, while the vintage clawfoot tub, Art Deco chandelier, and sleek metal-framed shower add timeless luxury with a modern edge. Check out this living room. It's all about peace and comfort. The creamy walls and soft furniture create a cozy vibe, and natural light makes it feel even warmer. Gold accents and fun touches like a pineapple lamp add personality. It's the perfect spot to relax and unwind. The pale pink walls, white trim, and herringbone wood floor give this hallway timeless charm, while arched doorways and geometric tiles add visual interest. The playful artwork and gold light fixture complete the look, blending calm sophistication with a refined touch. This space is the perfect mix of bohemian charm and modern minimalism. The dining room brings in vibrant, artistic elements that create a playful, eclectic vibe. Meanwhile, the kitchen offers sleek, muted tones and geometric details, giving an elegant contrast. Together, the two rooms feel dynamic, inviting, and beautifully unified. This kid's bedroom is colorful and cozy, with blue, white, and orange tones creating a playful, practical space. The bathroom feels refreshing with mint green and white, plus fun hexagonal tiles and nautical touches. It's light, airy, and inviting. This outdoor lounge is a chic, peaceful spot, mixing modern style with nature. The light blue-green U-shaped sofa with vibrant pillows is the focal point, and gold side tables add elegance. Surrounded by a lush lawn, mature trees, and autumn foliage, it's the perfect retreat for relaxing and socializing.